Oh my god, I don't want to do it. Wait, do I have to? Guys, I don't have to. I don't have to. You guys aren't really gonna do this, are you? Are you really gonna make me do this? Are you gonna make me do this? Dump it! Oh my god, you guys are so mean to me! Don't spell. It almost fell prematurely. You all quite literally changed my life with this episode, guys. This is the. Do I have to, you guys? Oh! Oh! It's like warm. Oh no. Soaked. Are you happy? Are you happy now? This is what you got. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Smells like Shrek's insides. Ugh. It's getting in all of my orifices.
Oh, precious. Where is the precious?
Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting, and thank you for 500,000 subscribers.